Here is the reality, and that is that over the last 45 years in this country, there has been a massive redistribution of wealth. The problem is it has gone in precisely the wrong direction. Today in our country, the very, very wealthiest people are becoming phenomenally wealthier, while at the same time, over half of the people in this country are living paycheck to paycheck. I know that is not a reality we talk about terribly much, but in fact, that is the simple truth.
Just released a 1,000 guaranteed basic program for the low income and all the information that you need to know about that. Hey, what is going on YouTube? I hope you guys are having a great day today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you've been waiting on some stimulus check information, then stay tuned because this video is loaded with information. And if you want to win some free cash, then comment the word 60K goal for your chance to win. The giveaway information, it is down in the description below. Make sure to stay tuned because we're going to give you information on how to win a $50 Visa gift card. So literally, there are so many federal student loan borrowers who are happy right now. They've had their federal student loans canceled, but not everybody. This is what the article says. U.S. forgives 40,000 student loans and it provides aid to 3.6 million more. The U.S. Department of Education has canceled student loan debt for 40,000 people and offered credits to help another 3.6 million people pay off their loans under a plan announced that was designed to aid low-income borrowers and public servants. The measure adds to other steps taken by the administration of President Joe Biden, including a pause on nearly all student loan collection. That's a relief, but they stopped short of demand from the progressive wing of the Democratic Party for their comprehensive student loan forgiveness. The ideal was to cancel student loans, but yet they fall short because 40,000 people is not the millions of other student loan borrowers who are paying this debt. So guys, let us know what you think about this in the comments down below and whether or not you have student loan and do you agree with them paying it off now? Well, what about those that struggled in the past years to pay that off? Let us know down in the comments below. Baltimore City is to pay young families $1,000 a month in guaranteed income. Baltimore City will pilot a guaranteed income program which will pay 200 young, very low income parents $1,000 a month for 2 years. The city will use $4.8 million in COVID-related funding for this project. Mayor Brandon Scott announced the pilot program this morning, joining several other cities nationwide in offering a guaranteed income. Guys, this video is going to help you out. It's going to give you all the information that you need to let you know everything about this $1,000 a month program.
Baltimore City has a new plan to try to provide young families with financial stability.
It's a pilot program for what's known as guaranteed income. 200 young parents are going to get $1,000 a month for 24 months. WMR2 News' Mark Roberts at the Inner Harbor Mount with more details on that program. So Mark, what do those young families have to do to get that money?
Good morning, Christian and Megan. Well, they have to fill out an application to show that they are in need and prove that they are eligible. But once they're picked, basically they can spend the money however they want. The only real requirement is that they agree to share their experience and information with researchers. Now, getting the $1,000 a month does require a bit of luck besides filling out that application. Applicants have to be young parents between 18 and 24 years old. Other requirements include they have to be either the parents or guardians of a child and have income at or below 300% of the federal poverty level based on their household size. They also will have to agree to take a survey. Then everyone who's eligible will be placed into a lottery to select 200 recipients of the cash. Applicants will fall into one of 4 groups. For Group A, the city will select 70 people who will have to share their experiences with how they live their lives after receiving the guaranteed income. In Group B, the city will choose 130 people for a research study about the Guaranteed Income Program. Another group of people will be selected as a control group for the research study, so they won't receive any money, but they will be able to receive incentives for taking part in the program. And then the last group of applicants is made up of those people who didn't get picked at all to participate in any part of the program. Now, the pilot program is called the Baltimore Young Family Success Fund, and is a collaboration between Baltimore City, the Cash Campaign of Maryland, and Mayors for a Guaranteed Income.
We see so many times that people don't have enough money to get through the whole month. They're short. There's a constant juggling of competing priorities. This is going to bring consistency and stability to these families and help them ultimately to meet their financial goals.
Now, anyone interested in applying for the program can do so between May 2nd and May 9th. You can do that online or at one of the several sites the city will have around the city that you can sign up in person. And for more information on how to do that, just look for the story on our website, WMAR2news.com. Reporting live at the Inner Harbor, Mark Roper, WMAR2 News.
All right, guys, I hope this information helped. We want to do our part on this channel and help you guys out. We know that anything helps. That's why we've decided to do a lot of giveaways on this channel. And if you want to get a free stock with Robinhood, the link is down below. And if you want to get 5 free stocks with Webull, we've also provided the link down below. Everyone was in favor of the Visa gift card, so make sure to smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card. And on the video later today, we will pick a random winner, and we're going to select one person who's going to win a $50 Visa gift card for free. So stay tuned for that video to come. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly the best. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.